Pacific Dataport was started in 2017 by the founders of local satellite TV and internet provider Microcom. Combined, the founders have more than 100 years of satellite expertise. They had one problem to solve, and it was big. Connect every inch of Alaska with affordable, high-quality broadband. How would Pacific Dataport solve a problem that billions in federal dollars didn't? Let's first look at how the internet gets to your house. There are two distinct parts: the last mile, which is usually fiber or cable buried outside your house, and the middle mile, which is the fiber, microwave, or satellite signal as it leaves your town or village. The middle mile is expensive. The federal government has paid up to $100,000 per household to bring some rural Alaska communities broadband internet. Pacific Dataport can deliver better middle mile for about $4,500 per household. By moving the focus to affordable middle mile, we can solve the digital divide in Alaska with the Aurora project. The Aurora project will do this in two phases. First, purchase, build, and launch the Aurora 4A HTS, or High Throughput Satellite. Second, purchase, build, and launch the Aurora 4 UHTS, or Ultra High Throughput Satellite. Both satellites are being built with the world's newest and most efficient technology and will only service Alaska. The Aurora 4A satellite is designed to have the ability to focus its beams on certain regions when those regions need more capacity. And only one teleport ground station is needed. The Aurora 4 Ultra satellite will also have the focused beam ability. Plus, it will be able to track its beam on moving objects, such as cruise ships and planes. It will also be equipped with onboard processing for quicker data retrieval and require several teleport ground stations. With both satellites launched and operating, every inch of Alaska will be covered in more affordable, high-quality internet. Potential Pacific Dataport customers include telecoms, Alaska Native Regional Corporations, Alaska Native Tribes, nonprofits, hospitals, clinics, schools, and all levels of government. Pacific Dataport is taking advantage of advancements in satellite technology and bringing them home to Alaska. Just to compare apples to oranges, the new Aurora 4A satellite will have the capacity of 5.2 old KU satellites and 11.5 old C-band satellites. The new Aurora 4 Ultra satellite will have the capacity of 55.25 old KU satellites and 123 C-band satellites. Our new satellites will compete directly with fiber and microwave technology. Let's focus for a moment on what it really costs to watch a movie using broadband internet. Most people in Anchorage pay for their monthly Netflix subscription plus about $1.36 for their internet. In Bethel, they pay about $25 to watch the same movie, and in McGrath, they pay about $132. Pacific Dataport's plan is to drive these prices down. When completed, the Aurora project will supply enough middle mile to support more than 70,000 users at the FCC standard of 25 megabits download and 3 megabits upload. The target price is 150 gigabytes of capacity for $100 per month anywhere in Alaska. In some places, that's a 95% savings. This means uninterrupted streaming for the whole family and vital internet for businesses across Alaska. But more importantly, better internet means better access for healthcare, education, commerce, and emergency response. And last but not least, another part of this project was the development of the Talkeetna Gateway. This 90-acre site can host other satellite projects and can enhance access to the internet for Alaska and the Arctic. As the satellite communicates with its customers, it will beam down to the Talkeetna Gateway. From there, we will provide redundant connections to the internet. It's kind of like an airport for broadband. The Aurora project at Pacific Dataport, bringing more affordable, high-quality broadband to all Alaskans.